Welcome to the channel. I'm Tequila B with TruLuv Designz, and thank you for joining me for another episode of Friday Sews. So let's talk about what's on my sewing table. First things first, my daughter is in the nursing program at our high school and has been asking me for a while to make her some scrubs. So I finally picked up some pink fabric that she'd been asking me for. Her favorite color is pink. I do have two scrubs and lab coat patterns that I'm going to let her choose from. Yes, that'll be her choice because she's the one that has to wear them. So I'll show you what those are. The first one is Simplicity 5443. This is size AA, sizes small, medium, and large. And this is a women's and men's scrub top jacket, pants, tie, and hairband. What I like about this pattern is the tops. They seem simple enough with the one pocket, but knowing my daughter, she's going to want a top with two pockets. So I doubt she's going to pick this one, but we'll see. The next pattern is Simplicity 1020 AA. I don't know what that AA means. If anyone knows, please let me know down in the comments. But this one is in sizes 10 to 18. This one seems more my daughter's style. The pockets here on the bottom of the shirt, this hoodie-like pocket on this one, I think she's going to be a more Simplicity 1020 kind of girl. Next on my list of patterns to sew is something that I want for Thanksgiving. I'll be in the kitchen a lot doing some cooking, so I came across this cute Simplicity pattern for a 1950s vintage apron. This is Simplicity S9311A, sizes small through large. Again, I have no idea what that letter means, so please let me know down in the comments. I don't care too much for A because it really seems like a whole dress, but I do prefer C. I like that one best. So I'm looking forward to making this apron for Thanksgiving. I don't have any aprons now, and I'm always in the kitchen. I don't get really dressed like I want to be dressed because I know I'm going to be in the kitchen. But I think if I have an apron, I'll be able to be as cute as I want to be on Thanksgiving and not have to worry about messing my clothes up. So I'm really leaning towards view C of S9311. Let me know your thoughts. And last but not least, I did post a poll a couple weeks ago for what my next project should be that includes buttons. You all know how, anxious I am about sewing buttons. It gives me great anxiety, okay? I posted two patterns, Simplicity S8830 and Simplicity 1538. And Mimi G style pattern is Simplicity S8830 won the poll by over 50%. So this is the pattern that I will be working on. Simplicity S8830, sizes 6 to 14. It does have buttons. So let me just tell you now, it's probably going to take me all month to complete this project because I'm going to take as much time as I need for those buttons, and it's going to be the very, very, very last thing I do. So don't look for it no sooner than November 30th, okay? I'm just keeping it real. This pattern is a Mrs. Petite shirt dress with a belt. I'm looking forward to making this. View A especially. I love the length. I think it's perfect. I can wear this to the office. Trust me, if I finish it any sooner, I don't care what video I had lined up next. This video is coming. I do have some fabrics in mind for these patterns. That may be a separate video. I haven't decided yet. If so, I'll throw that in somewhere. I appreciate you for staying with me this long. Hit that like button down below and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss a single video. Until next time, see it, make it, slay it.